Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect ProFirm account to MT5 in 2026. So it's a very simple and easy thing to do. You just need two things. First of all, you need to download and install the MT5 application on your device from Google Play Store or App Store if you are using it in your mobile or if you want to use it in your device. So here, when you launch your MT5 application, it will first of all ask you to basically provide the broker or select the server. So here, in order to get these details, you need to check out your ProFirm funded accounts dashboard. So whenever you purchase any of the accounts from the ProFirms, you are going to get the access to your dashboard. In that particular dashboard, you will see the account that you have purchased. When you tap on the key icon or the credentials tab there, you are going to get your MT5 login credentials. So that includes your MT5 server, the ID and the password. So you need to first of all copy the server from there. It should be the exact server which is available in your dashboard. Otherwise, you won't be able to log in with your right credentials. So once you have the server ready, simply come inside your MT5 account. Now you need to search for or paste the exact same server which you have received. So once you are able to find it in the list, simply tap on it. Now you will also get your login ID and the password in your dashboard. So you need to copy the login ID first, then paste it over here. Then you need to copy the password and you need to paste it in the password section. So this way, when you tap on the option of login, you will be able to connect any of the ProFirm accounts to MT5. You just have to go to the dashboard, get the credentials and paste it here in your MT5 account one by one. You are also going to receive those details via email. Most of the ProFirms do that, so you can check your email out as well. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.